Calculus examples, trigonometric functions. This is video 35, example 4. Find the derivative of the function y equals 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 all squared sine cubed of x, using the alternative technique and then using the product rule. To review the above videos, you should pause this video now. All videos have been written and produced by Michael J. Bankhead. Example 4. Find the derivative of the function y equals 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 all squared sine cubed of x, using the alternative technique and then using the product rule. Solution. Finding the derivative of the function y using the alternative technique. The function is Step 1. Apply the verbal form of the alternative technique. The derivative of y is dy by dx equals. The right-hand side of y is this expression, so substitute. Multiplied by is times. The derivative of is d by dx of. The line of is line of. The right-hand side of y, as before, is Step 2. Bring down. Use the laws of logarithms to simplify the line function. Using L1 in Reminder 2, Scene 6, it can be shown that since x is 2x plus 3, line of x is line of 2x plus 3, plus is plus. Since y is 2x minus 1 all squared. Line of y is line of 2x minus 1 all squared. Plus is plus. Since z is sine cubed of x, line of z is line of sine cubed of x. Bring down. From reminder 2 in scene 6. Since y is 2, replace y with 2. Since x is 2x minus 1, line of x is line of 2x minus 1. Plus is plus. Since y is 3, replace y with 3. Since x is sine of x, line of x is line of sine of x. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. Write the last equation in scene 2 as Step 3. Evaluate all 3 derivatives using the verbal form of the chain rule for y equals line of f of x. Bring down. This derivative equals the derivative of the argument of line is the derivative of 2x plus 3, which is 2. Divided by is divided by. The argument of line, as before, is 2x plus 3. Plus is plus. Bring 2 down as 2 times. This derivative equals the derivative of the argument of line is the derivative of 2x minus 1, which is 2. Divided by is divided by. The argument of line, as before, is 2x minus 1. 2 times 2 over 2x minus 1 is equal to 4 divided by 2x minus 1. Plus is plus. Bring 3 down as 3 times. This derivative equals the derivative of the argument of line is the derivative of sine of x, which is cos of x divided by is divided by the argument of line as before is sine of x. 3 times cos of x over sine of x is equal to 3 cos of x divided by sine of x. Call this equation equation 1. Step 4. Since equation 1 can be simplified, it must be simplified. Bring down, since the denominators are 2x plus 3, 2x minus 1, and sine of x, separate out 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 all squared becomes 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. Bring 2x plus 3 down. Bring 2x plus 3 down. Separate out sine of x. Sine cubed of x becomes sine squared of x times sine of x. Bring this entire bracket down. Bring down. This expression times this quotient is this expression. Now cancel 2x plus 3 with 2x plus 3. Plus is plus. This expression times this quotient is this expression. Now cancel 2x minus 1 with 2x minus 1. Plus is plus. This expression times this quotient is this expression. Now cancel sine of x with sine of x. Bring down. Expand the brackets. 2 times 2x is 4x times sine of x is 4x sine of x. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 times sine of x is minus 2 sine of x. Plus 4 times 2x is plus 8x times sine of x is plus 8x sine of x, plus 4 times plus 3 is plus 12 times sine of x is plus 12 sine of x. 2x times 2x is plus 4x squared times plus 3 is plus 12x squared times cos of x is plus 12x squared cos of x. 2x times minus 1 is minus 2x times plus 3 is minus 6x times cos of x is minus 6x cos of x, plus 3 times 2x is plus 6x times plus 3 is plus 18x times cos of x is plus 18x cos of x, plus 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 times plus 3 is minus 9 times cos of x is minus 9 cos of x. Therefore, dy by dx equals, bring down, collect up terms, bring down, minus 6x cos of x plus 18x cos of x is plus 12x cos of x. 4x sine of x plus 8x sine of x is plus 12x sine of x. Bring down, minus 2 sine of x plus 12 sine of x is plus 10 sine of x. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. Finding the derivative of the function y using the product rule. The function is reminder. Step 1. Apply the verbal form of the product rule. The derivative of y is dy by dx equals. The second function is sine cubed of x, so substitute, times is times. The derivative of the first function is the derivative of 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 all squared. However, since this expression is the product of two functions, 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 1 all squared, apply the verbal form of the product rule. The product rule again. The second function is 2x minus 1 all squared, so substitute 2x minus 1 all squared times is times. The derivative of the first function is the derivative of 2x plus 3, which is 2. Plus is plus. The first function is 2x plus 3, so substitute 2x plus 3 times is times. The derivative of the second function is the derivative of 2x minus 1 all squared, which is 4 times 2x minus 1. Do not forget these brackets. Now continue with the first product rule. Plus is plus. The first function is this expression, so substitute. Times is times. The derivative of the second function is the derivative of sine cubed of x, which is 3 sine squared of x cos of x. Call this equation equation 2. Bring down sine cubed of x times 2x minus 1 all squared times 2 becomes 2 times 2x minus 1 all squared sine cubed of x. Sine cubed of x times plus 2x plus 3 times 4 times 2x minus 1 becomes plus 4 times 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 sine cubed of x. Plus is plus. Bring this expression down as call this equation equation 3. Step 2. Since equation 3 can be simplified. It must be simplified. Bring down. Separate out 2x minus 1 sine squared of x from all 3 terms. Bring 2 times 2x minus 1 all squared down as 2x minus 1 times 2 times 2x minus 1. Bring sine cubed of x down as sine squared of x times sine of x. Plus is plus. Bring 2x minus 1 sine cubed of x down as 2x minus 1 sine squared of x times sine of x. Bring 4 times 2x plus 3 down. Plus is plus. Bring 2x minus 1 all squared sine squared of x down as 2x minus 1 sine squared of x times 2x minus 1. Bring 3 times 2x plus 3 down. Bring cos of x down. Therefore, dy by dx equals, factor out 2x minus 1 sine squared of x from all 3 terms, giving 2x minus 1 sine squared of x times. Bring 2 times 2x minus 1 sine of x plus 4 times 2x plus 3 sine of x plus 3 times 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 cos of x down. Call this equation equation 4. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. Reminder 1. The function is apply equation 4, bring down. The right-hand side of y is this expression, so substitute. Multiplied by is times. The derivative of is d by dx of. The line of is line of. The right-hand side of y, as before, is Reminder 2. To review the above reminders, you should pause this video now. Reminder 3. The function is in scene 4. The first function is 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 all squared. And the second function is sine cubed of x. So the derivative of y must be found using the product rule. Reminder. The verbal form of the product rule is shown below, followed by the derivative of y dash of x equals the second function is sine cubed of x. So substitute sine cubed of x times is times. The derivative of the first function is the derivative of 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 all squared, which is this expression, plus is plus. The first function is this expression, so substitute 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 all squared. Times is times. The derivative of the second function is the derivative of sine cubed of x, which is 3 sine squared of x cos of x. Thus, after applying the verbal form of the product rule, y dash of x equals bring down. Bring down. Bring down. Which is identical to the right-hand side of equation 2. Scene 4. To review the above reminder, you should pause this video now. When solving questions from your textbook similar to the example in this video, 1. If you intend to find the derivative using the alternative technique, you should display scene 2 followed by scene 3 so you can use them as templates to find the derivative. Note that there is no need to factor out 2x minus 1 or sine squared of x. See scene 2 and scene 3. 2. If you intend to find the derivative using the product rule, you should display scene 4 followed by scene 5 so you can use them as templates to find the derivative. You should then find this topic simple and beautiful. Cheers! Do not forget to check your answers with the answers in the back of the textbook.